Good day. I'm Melit Jane Omagana. Today I will talk about the 4 elements of state and 5 fundamental principles and state policies under the Philippine Constitution. So in the part 1 about the 4 elements. So there are 4 elements of the state. First, people, territory, government, and sovereignty. So people is the forming of the political community. Without people, there is no state. Number 2 is about the government. Territory. So territory is a fixed area. So fixed ang yang area ni sa land, internal waters, territorial, and airspace. So where the state applies laws. Number 3 is about the government. So government is the institution that make, implement, interpret laws, then serve the community good. So the last is the sovereignty. Sovereignty is a supreme authority. So independent from external control, final say over internal affairs. So natay freedom. The next part is about the 5 principles and state policies under Article 2 with one simple real life example. So first policies nga akong napili is about the policy independent foreign policy. So the Philippines makes its own decision in dealing with other countries, always protecting its national interest first. So example, when the Philippines stands up to our territory in the West Philippine Sea. So number 2 is the role of women in nation building. So this policies ensures equal opportunities for women to contribute to the progress of the country. So example ani is the government encouraging more women to become police officers, engineers, or leaders. So need gid sila ato yung encourage sa atong mga kababayan nga ipakuha ginato silang mga inani nga mga course bisag pang lalaki siya. Need gapon sa mga babae para makunan ginato ang ato ang kuan sa women. So next is the human rights. This constitution protects the rights and dignity of every person. So example ani, citizens reporting abuse to the Commission on Human Rights to get help and protection. So kung naagi tay mahibalan nga mga naagi pang abuse, dapat gid ato ang i-report sa ato ang human rights para makuha po nila ang ilahang mga katungod, maprotektahan nato ang mga community sa mga gipang abuse. So next is the priority to education, science and technology, arts, culture, and sports. So the state supports learning and talent development to help build a progressive nation. So example ani, ang mga estudyante maka-receive o government scholarship para mahuman nila ang ilahang mga pag-eskwela or mahuman nila ang ilahang pag-college. So the last one that I choose is about the urban land and housing. This policy aims to give poor families access to safe and affordable housing. So matagaan ang mga pobre nga mga lumulupyo og mga opportunity nga matagaan sila og mga affordable nga mga housing. So example sa ani ang mga families living beside rivers being relocated to a safer government housing projects. So these elements and policies continue to define and guide our country's development. Thank you and mabuhay.